Vroom vroom, beep beep, let's go on a trip so sweet. All around the town and more. Let's learn transport, fun, glow. This is a car, fast and small. It zoomed down road and street and all. Beep beep, car goes all day, driving kids to school to play. Here comes the bus, big and bright, yellow and full. It's quite a sight. We'll go round, up and down, taking kids across the town. Chuk chuk, here's a train, rolling down the track in sun or rain. It goes so far from town to town with smoke and steam all puffing around. Bicycle, paddle, paddle, here we go. A bicycle steady, fast or slow. Two wheels roll with helmet tight. It's fun to ride from left to right. Fly up high in the blue sky. An airplane zoom and say bye bye. Wings so wide, an engine loud. It's glide through every fluffy cloud. Splash, splash, a boat float near on lake and sea, so crystal clear. With sail or motor, it moves with ease, drifting gently on the breeze. Goes the chopper, flying up, it never stop here. Blade go round, it's super cool, over cities, land and every school. Big strong truck on a heavy ride, it carries goods from side to side. With giant wheel and engine deep, it works all day, then goes to sleep. Let's see them one more time, kids. Can you name them with me? Car, bus, train, bicycle, airplane, boat, helicopter, truck. Drive or fly, float or roll. Transport help us reach our goal. Thanks for learning. You are so smart, kids. Come back soon to play your part. Bye bye, little drivers. Don't forget to subscribe to your favorite channel, Funtale Kids.